The Quick Access Toolbar is a convenient feature that can make life much easier for regular users of Excel. The Quick Access Toolbar is found just above the ribbon and users often miss it. It contains shortcuts to common commands and the default ones are Save, Undo, and Redo. Most people don't realize that you can actually customize your Quick Access Toolbar to suit your own needs. This saves you from searching for commands in Ribbon and can save a lot of time. To customize this toolbar, click on this down arrow. Now these are some of the common commands users add to their own toolbars. If you want to add any command, just click on it. Let's just add the print and preview command to test this out. And there we go, it's appeared in our Quick Access Toolbar. Okay, so if you don't see the command that you want, just click on More Commands from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear, which is the same dialog box you used to customize the ribbon. Then just select the appropriate category and choose the command you want. And then click Add and OK to confirm. Deleting a command is even quicker. Right-click on the icon you want to remove and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. You can also move the Quick Access Toolbar so that it's displayed below the ribbon instead if you find this more convenient. The Quick Access Toolbar is true to its name. As you start using Excel, customize it with your favorite commands so that they're just one click away.